Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. First, navigate to your website's login page, which is typically your domain followed by /wp-admin or /wp-login, PHP. Once there, you'll see fields for your credentials. Enter your username or the email associated with your account, then carefully type in your password. This is the gateway to managing all aspects of your site. Sometimes you might encounter issues logging in. Double-check that your login URL is accurate. A common mistake is a typo. If you've forgotten your password, use the Lost Your Password link to reset it via email. Also, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, as outdated data can sometimes interfere with the login process. These steps resolve most common access problems. Securing your WordPress login is crucial. Always use strong, unique passwords that combine letters, numbers, and symbols. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. This requires a second verification step. Additionally, install a security plugin to limit login attempts, which helps prevent brute force attacks and keeps your dashboard safe from unauthorized access. Once logged in, you'll see your WordPress dashboard, the central hub for managing your website. Take some time to explore the various menus like Posts, Pages, Appearance, and Plugins. Remember to regularly update your themes and plugins to ensure your site remains secure and functions optimally. And speaking of reading, if you love to read anywhere, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.